Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone. This was a test of NOAA weather radio, all-hazard station WXL40's warning alarm system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers and this alarm system are normally conducted by this office each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. Broadcasts for WXL